Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about the value of knowing your customer. You see, as I wrote down here at the bottom, not all customers are the same. Think about this for just a second. If you were a podiatrist, now this is a doctor who just works with feet, it would be easy to say that anybody who has feet is a potential customer or patient. But that's not entirely true. One of the things I want you to consider is as you're working with your business, as you're working with your customers, which customers are the most profitable, which customers are the most valuable to you. You will find that some customers take up more time. You'll find that some customers pay you less money. And in some situations, if you break it down by the hour, you may say that you could serve 4 customers an hour. Well, time is a finite resource. You're always going to have that same hour. So wouldn't you rather find ways to make the most money during that hour and maybe do the least amount of work? Of course you would. So to do that, I want to encourage you to create a marketing persona. This is a fictional characterization of your perfect customer. And when I say that, don't just say, well, I'm looking for men and women between the ages of 18 and 34. Narrow it down. I am looking for a woman who is 24 years old, who's a recent college graduate, who makes $74,000 a year. Get really specific and give this persona a name, like Customer Kathy or Dangerous Darren, something along those lines. And when you're having conversations with your team, refer to them by name. Because in doing so, it'll create a mindset that you're working to serve that perfect customer. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to ignore everybody else who could be a customer, but thinking about the old 80-20 rule, we want to focus on that small 20% initially that's going to give us 80% of our revenue. And as you're putting together a marketing campaign and as you're reaching out to them on social media, emails, phone calls, networking, I want you to take a look at your data and see how your interactions with this marketing persona are resulting in sales. Don't worry so much about the number of engagements, likes, shares. Those are vanity metrics. My mother sits at home on Facebook and she just likes people's posts. And it's easy to say, wow, look at all the likes I got. But if they're not going to spend a dime, does it really matter? I'd rather have somebody who spends money with me, whether or not they like my content by clicking the thumbs up button. So take a look at that data and see if the content you're creating, the marketing that you're doing is resulting in sales. Marketing, sales. And use that data to make small tweaks over time with your marketing campaign. And you will find that over time, maybe even your target persona is going to change. So remember, not all customers are the same. Your customer, as a matter of fact, is going to change a little bit. So be open to making that pivot. Use data and use that perfect marketing persona that's going to help you identify who the most profitable customer is for you or your clients. Hey, if you like short classes like this, do me a favor. Go ahead and click the like button as well as subscribe and let me know if there's something you want me to cover. You can send me an email directly, jason@themarketingprofessor.net, or leave me a comment below and I'll be more than happy to follow up with you. I respond to all my comments individually. Thanks a lot for joining me and I'll talk to you next time. See ya.